In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Maca. Every fertility blog you read, including heaps of YouTube videos, sing its praises. Everything from weight loss to increasing libido to increasing fertility. I even saw one video titled, Maca Can Make Your Butt Grow. Is that true? Let's stick to Maca and infertility for this video. For expert advice on optimizing your fertility, consider subscribing to my channel. I publish a new video every Tuesday. Charlene Lincoln, women's health and fertility expert and first-time mommy at 42 using all natural solutions I love sharing with you. Hey, have you been taking Maca, reading about all the fertility success stories using Maca? Sounds pretty incredible, right? It's like way up in the Andes Mountains. They've been cultivating this root for centuries. It's shown to be an incredible fertility booster as well as a fantastic adaptogenic herb. Sounds amazing, but is there a dark side? By the end of this video, you will learn how Maca can benefit you and how it can worsen your condition. You don't want that if you take the wrong kind. Wait, there's more than one kind? There is. Stay tuned. I remember when I was trying to conceive and came across an article on Maca. I was like, sign me up. Did you feel the same way? Like many of you, I beelined it down to my local health food store and bought a bottle right off the shelf. It's just a root, right? I mean, the people of the Andes have been taking it for centuries, so it must be safe, right? But is there a dark side to Maca? There are definitely some things you should know about this ancient superfood before you start taking it willy-nilly. If you read or watch others say that their periods became irregular or started breaking out or got PMS after taking Maca, then you'll want to keep watching to understand why those things occurred and how to avoid the same side effects. And how to ensure that Maca is benefiting your fertility versus messing with it. If you type these 3 words into Google, Maca made me, you will get the following results. Made my period late, sick, fat, tired, gain weight, crazy, ovulate early, break out. Situations I'm guessing you do not want. Let's explore the benefits of Maca, which type is right for supporting fertility, and what kind to avoid. First, let's talk benefits. Maca's high nutritional value makes it a Peruvian dietary staple. Traditionally, the herb is best known as an adaptogenic plant, meaning a plant that helps the body deal with stressors, whether physiological, biochemical, or psychological. Traditional healing methods include using the herb to benefit the endocrine and reproductive systems. It helps with disorders such as chronic fatigue, anemia, and infertility, and aids in enhanced stamina and hormonal balance. Research shows benefit in the production of sex hormones, increased libido, increased metabolism, control of body weight, and increased energy, stress reduction, and acts as an antidepressant and improves memory. Sounds great, right? Wait, are you already rushing to the store searching for some online? Hold on a minute, there's more to know before adding Maca to your daily diet. Check this out. Research has shown that there are in fact 13 different phenotypes of Maca. Phenotypes are the observable physical or biochemical characteristics of an organism as determined by both genetic makeup and environmental influences. Maca exhibit different colors, different DNA, different analytical profiles, and most importantly, different physiological effects on the body. Interestingly, the differences don't stop there, with the altitude that the product is cultivated in also playing a part. Different cultivation elevations result in different concentrations and phytochemical profiles, indicating that this may also impact therapeutic functionality. And all the research has been done only on Peruvian Maca, though some companies are sourcing from other countries to save money. A landmark study in 2005 showed a specific phenotype of yellow Maca increased uterine weight, which was beneficial for fertility. And that depending on the Maca phenotype, it affected the fertility in men different than in women. When women complain that they are having adverse effects from Maca, I wonder if they're taking a Maca that is more suitable for males. If you're like most of us, we bought our Maca at our local health food store or online, where we have no idea what type of Maca is in the powder and what it's best suited for. Truth is, most maca out there is a combination of all the different phenotypes of this root, a kind of mishmash, which makes it unreliable and unpredictable in its effects and effectiveness. So what maca is best suited for you and your fertility health? There are several different colors of maca. Yellow has shown to have benefit for female fertility, while black and red have benefit on male fertility. But besides just the color, the concentration, DNA, location of cultivation, altitude of cultivation, and water solubility all impact the effects of the maca. Unfortunately, most manufacturers of maca cannot tell you these kind of details. As I said before, most maca sold is a mishmash of all different phenotypes. And this is a problem if you're trying to get reliable benefits. Out of all the different brands of maca, there's only one manufacturer that I found that can show how their product affects women's hormones. All other macas, being a combination of phenotypes, mostly have an effect on just the adrenals. This can give a boost to energy, but also can have an androgenic effect, which may explain the acne outbreaks, irregular periods, mood swings, and other adverse effects women are having, including exacerbating PCOS. Only one maca product has been able to show that it has the effects on the HPA axis. Why is this important? The hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis is how the body makes and regulates all hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, insulin, cortisol, etc. While it is adaptogenic in nature, working at the level of the hypothalamus has a profound effect on hormone levels, which is what makes feminescence so unique. As an adaptogen, feminescence will increase hormone levels that are too low while reducing those that are too high. The HPA axis is a key neuroendocrine signaling system involved in physiological homeostasis and stress response. Disturbances of this system lead to severe hormonal imbalances. As you can see, HPA axis regulation is critical for fertility. And like I stated before, there's only one manufacturer of maca that can prove that their product works in the regulation of the HPA axis. I did not intend to make this video to promote one particular brand of maca, but after talking to several different manufacturers, I found that only one could show me clinical data showing its product's effects on the hormonal system. Another thing to consider is the packaging of the maca. Did you know that raw maca loses 30 to 40% of its potency from exposure to oxygen? This means the bulk or maca in powder could have lost all of its potency within a few weeks of opening it. Only buy maca in capsules that are sealed in individual blister packs. I've included a link below to the maca I recommend to my fertility clients. Have you taken maca and did you benefit? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, download our free report at restoreyourfertility.info.